Who is Dr. Loendi? Let me introduce you to her. Dr. Loendi is part of the baby boomer generation born between 1946 and 1964. This is the largest group in history as there are 76 million people born falling into this category. She has started her nursing career in South Africa, worked in Bloemfontein from 1979 till 2001. From 2001 to 2008 she was working in King Khaled Eye Hospital, KSA as the manager of the NSSDU. She developed many nursing educational programs, and ensured that nursing staff are up to date with new technology. From 2009 till 2019 she worked at King Fahad Medical City in Riyadh, the largest hospital in the Middle East. Not only did she work in Saudi Arabia, but also served globally, supporting the global communities. This support her passion, to make a difference in healthcare worldwide. She is an energetic healthcare professional, independent, self-directed, knowledgeable, and a committed person. Some of her key skills are, being a role model, using effective communications at all levels, as well as being a team player in a multidisciplinary setup. She has critical thinking and decision-making skills, and is paying attention to detail in her tasks. She is proficient in managing various roles and optimizing patient experience and care. She developed the KFMC Project Management Office, within CPDA. She was also the quality manager of the second health cluster in the Central Region. For the past 20 years, she worked mainly in the Middle East, while supporting healthcare organizations throughout Asia, by being an annual speaker at the annual International Hospital Management Asia conferences held in various countries, e.g. Vietnam, Bangkok, South Korea, Philippines, Cebu and Myanmar. She was presenting with various international speakers, e.g. David Jaimovich, president at Quality Resources International, and Mr. Robert Budwan, Quality Training and Consulting. Meeting the event manager for his last year was wonderful. To keep up with today's business requirements, Dr. Loendi completed her healthcare education with an MBA, and a PhD in business administration. Currently, her attention shifted from being mainly in healthcare and supporting Toastmasters, teaching others to speak in public, to being a business coach, affiliate marketer and social media marketer. Helping people transforming their life, and living life on their own terms by making a living from an online business.